Hey guys, this is Uncle D with BrewKit. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the features that are included with the mobile versions of BrewKit for both Android and iOS. In addition to being able to create recipes and save them to the cloud and share them, the mobile version has some utilities that can be used during your brew day process. So on our last video, we went ahead and imported Pliny the Elder clone. Let's go ahead and just use that as an example. If we go down our recipe here, we'll see that there's some hop additions at various intervals. We also have a mash step that was included as part of the recipe. So if we go and click on this brew timer icon, you'll notice we have no recipe loaded here. Whatever recipe is in this window, when we click on brew timer and load the recipe, it will automatically populate a step-by-step sort of chronological order of the brew process. And so you'll see that right off the bat there are a few steps that don't have any timers or anything associated with them. If you're OCD, you can enjoy clicking these things off as you finished that. However, you can do all or none of these steps. They're all added for whatever you want to use during your brewing process. So we have this infusion mash step that was 60 minutes. You can utilize the timer here with an audible alarm as well as a push notification. Another cool thing that BrewKit will do is if we take a look at this hop bill on this beer, you notice that's quite the hop bill. BrewKit will automatically calculate the time between each hop addition and set the timer only for that amount of time and tell you which hop to put in. So for example, we're going to do 3.5 ounces of Columbus hops for 45 minutes because we're boiling these for 90 minutes and the next addition isn't until 45. Same thing here with 3/4 ounces of Columbus hops for 15 minutes. It's going to be brewed for 45, but our next addition is at 30. So it will do the math automatically, put them all in this order for you. So you only have to worry about starting the timer, adding the hop, and waiting for the notification, then going down to the next step, starting the timer, adding the hop. Makes it a lot easier. Now, as far as some other features that can be used, on hops that are added after the brewing process, you'll notice there's this days after brew. Looks like 3 of these are added 13 days after brew. 3 of them are added 5 days after brew. Anything that's added after the brewing process, you'll also have these steps down here that allow you to set reminders in your calendar. So if you click on this guy, I actually don't think I have a calendar. Yeah, I don't have a calendar set up on this one. But whatever your default calendar in your mobile app is, it will automatically create an event with what hops need to be added. And you can set reminders associated with that event. So 5 days from now and 13 days from now, you can be notified that, hey, you need to add your dry hops or other miscellaneous ingredients that get added after the brew day. So those are some of the features that can be used during the brew day. We've also added some calculators here, and we'll be adding more to these as we do more development. Some of the basics here, your ABV calculator, your IBU calculator. It's going to assume your hop weight is in ounces, so it's basically going to take the hop weight on your recipe. SRM calculator assumes the grain weight is in pounds, also automatically imported from your recipe. Volume converter that will, you can convert gallon, quart, liter, or weight converter. You can do, I think it's ounces, pounds, kilograms. And all that's just built into the app that you'll already have open during brew day to make it easier. So that's it for this video. I appreciate the time, guys. Thank you.